Okay guys, I'm again about the intercooler. That's how it looks. That's my broken intercooler. I wanna show. Looks everything fine, little bit the oil here, but let's say if I'm gonna do the smoke test, it looks everything fine. I'm gonna show you that. And where is the problem? Let's start. Let's put some smoke. Okay, you see reaching 5 psi. And let's say 10 psi. Stop. You can see any bubbles? Let's say the bubbles, yes, you can see, but or the smoke. Looks like nothing. And that's what is going on. I'm sitting on less than 10 psi. The Honda service should be have about 22-24 psi on load when it's turbo kicks and everything. They actually, let's say if you're gonna do the smoke test, this could be not working properly. If you wanna see, I have the smoke. It's going, but if I'm gonna fit inside, I just gonna see now that of course the bubbles. I can make a heavy smoke, but that when you're doing the smoke test inside the car for the intercooler, it's nearly possible to see when it's tiny bit is damaged. Well, best way, fill up and just try to go around these areas with the soapy water. And I'm getting nearly 15 psi. That's why you never don't getting like the fault code, because it's little bit leaking, not the all very strong leak. That's why your DPF keep clogging, bad consumption, and that's it guys. I have lots of smoke.